Yeah, it's a Greenface. Yeah, my grandfather always told me life is like a paradise, but it's filled with pain and lies. Life is like a paradise, but it's filled with pain and lies. People who hate and criticize, but they smile in your eyes. But life is like a paradise, but it's filled with pain, it's filled with lies. Life is like a paradise, but it's filled with pain and lies. Life is like a paradise, but it's filled with pain and lies. People are hateful, people are deceitful, in their hearts is filled with evil. Yeah, that's why nowadays you cannot trust people. Some of them genuine, some of them give you poison for your medicine. But you better know there's some sweet parts of life, like getting children and a wife. Life is like a paradise, but it's filled with pain and lies. People hate and criticize in your face. They will tell you lies. They will tell you lies. But life is like a paradise, but it's filled with pain, filled with lies. Life is like a paradise, and you gotta make a choice. Gotta speak with your voice and make some noise. Yeah, life is like a paradise. A lot of people wearing disguise. Fake people see it in their eyes. They will never make you happy. They will drain you till you're gone. But you gotta make a choice. Just speak up with your voice. Speak up with your voice. Yeah, you gotta make a choice. Cause life is like a paradise, but it's filled with pain, and it's filled with lies. People hate, they wearing a disguise, pretending to be someone else. That's what they're doing. That's what they're doing. Fake people, they're so evil and so deceitful. Cannot trust in people because they're so evil. But still, life is like a paradise. Gotta live your best life.